What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Girl Panda coming at you with another unboxing video. Got here another HelloFresh box. This is our last box that we got for a little while. We canceled our subscription for the time being just because we didn't like the stuff that was coming up for the next week. So we're going to try another service. I'm not sure which one we're going to go with. Leave a comment in the description which ones you've tried and we'll try them out. But we're going to get right in here and see which meals we got for this week. Since you've seen the last video, we've got one of these boxes every week since then. We've had many good meals. I think there's only been once that I didn't like it. And I don't even remember what it was, so I couldn't have liked it that, like it wasn't that much. Okay, this week we got some turkey enchiladas, some steak spice burgers, some barbecue chicken broccoli salad. Pretty heavy bag here for the turkey enchiladas, or maybe it's not even, I think it's enchilada. Barbecue rub chicken broccoli salad, this bag's a little lighter. Steak spice burgers, nice full bag. Get right down into the meat of the box. Lean ground beef, you gotta make your own patties for sure, nothing wrong with that. Chicken legs, skinless, boneless, 100% Canadian, air chilled, raised without use of antibiotics, best before February 15th. What's the date today?
I think the 10th.
Let's go for 5 days from today. Minced turkey. That's what we got here, minced turkey. And then the usual, the 2 ice packs, a little liquidy, different than last time, but that was it. The standard old HelloFresh box. You get your bags, your 3 meals. If you get the more meals, you get more bags, more meat, and that's it. We got no gift. I think you only get a gift if it's your first time. This one says it's a family meal, but I don't think, like, maybe there's a lot of chicken legs in there or something, but I don't see the difference with it. But we'll see. We'll make a video on cooking it and show you if there's any difference. But that's what you get for unboxing this HelloFresh box. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.